Good morning everyone, how are we doing today? We are back down the allotment, which is awesome. It's been a way too long to get down here and nothing has changed since the last time we did the video, but we've had lots going on and now we haven't got lots going on. Well, we've still got lots going on, but now we've got some time set aside to come down the allotment. We've come down here, so here's as it was, just staked out, and we've got some old battening and bits and pieces. We're going to start staking out some of the beds, hammering some bits and pieces in, just trying to figure out what's going where. That's what I'm trying to say. Look, it's Michelle. Smile, Michelle. Cool, let's get some wood out and we'll have a look where we're at then. Shell and the kids packing away. Sorry about the time lapse, it fell over and then the phone ran out of battery. I probably need like an action cam or something, don't I? Maybe a GoPro. But yeah, look at all the work we got done. We got everything. Oh no, we didn't, because I ran out of wood. But should we show you what we got done? Little bit. There you go, look, Shelley and the kids are running off home. No fun, is it? No staying power. It's about, to be fair, it's cold and wet and a bit miserable really down here. Never mind though. See Shelley walking off. So yeah, so we've got these first 4 beds. They were staked last, well we did some stakes around the front end, so we've got them in. We've popped some, we've got some old battening that was from a house tear out, so we popped them in. Nothing really, just to like sort of edge where we want the beds to go so we know what's what. We've had some of the mulch, we've like raked some of it over, popped some mulch down. There's all cardboard underneath all of these, and yeah, that's about all we managed to get done today. Not a great deal, but it's like wind's freezing, it's like 2 degrees, 3 degrees, and it's raining on and off, raining all day, so I'm wet, I'm cold, and I'm gonna go home and have a cup of coffee, get them warm, and yeah, next time we'll get some more done next time. But anyway, you'll have a great day, you take it easy. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any ideas or recommendations or anything else, just let me know. Alright, you'll take it easy, you have a great day, have fun.